Thanks for joining us today here, guys, going over the 2023 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series. This unit's going to be the 261 BHS dual axle coach here with double over double bunks there in the back. Big wall slide with a dinette and a sofa there in the one slide. Big kitchen across from that, and then you do have a queen bed complete with his and hers wardrobe style on both sides of the bed. Unit is going to be coming in here about 5,768 pounds dry, so very half-ton friendly unit with an overall length of 31 feet 1 inch. Thanks for tuning in today here, folks. My name's Nathan Anderson. I'm going to be going over the 2023 Catalina Summit Series. Floor plans at 261 BHS. Over here, you're going to have your front cap complete with marker lights on both sides. Down here is going to be like your diamond plate. This is going to deflect a lot of the chips, a lot of the rocks. Take this out rather than scratch up your nice front cap. Down here, you're going to have your battery disconnect switch. 12 volt deep cycle battery. Do have room over here to put a second one if desired. Over here is going to be your guys' propane tanks. Going to have complete with the automatic switchover valve. That'll switch the tank in the middle of the night. That way you guys don't have to wake up, switch it to that other tank. Over here is going to be your pass-through storage. Goes clear to the other side. If something kind of moves during travel, open the other door, reach in from there. And then you do have your Go Power solar prep right here. That's where the charge controller would install the backer plates for it right in that pass-through storage. Over here, you're going to have an awning LED light, multicolor light that's going to be about the size of this camper. That way you guys have plenty of room for friends if you're watching the game, hanging out with family. Down here, you're going to have your solid step made by Lippert. That's going to fold right up there in the entryway. Out of sight, out of mind for travel. Over here, you're going to have all of your outdoor TV hookups, cable, 110 outlets to plug anything else in. JBL exterior speaker is up there. Water heater connections, antifreeze connections go right there. Down here, dual axle setup here, complete with black steel wheels, and then you do have the TPMS prep. So you guys can purchase a TPMS sensor monitor, and you guys can have that in your tow vehicle. You can look at what temperature the tires are and what their PSI is. Back here, they do a nice little storage door. This goes clear back into there and clear on the other side. Plenty of room to stash away stuff for travel. Back here, you guys do have your leash link. That's going to be for your dog, cat, whatever you want to tie up there. And then a lot of my customers can actually chain their grill up. If you guys are in a campground and worried about your grill, go ahead, chain it up there to that leash link. Behind here, you guys are going to have your rear view camera backup prep. That's a Furion Systems to observation camera. So it stays on 24/7, not just when you're backing up. Spare tire, easy to get to when you're on the side of the road, complete there with your bumper. Thanks for sticking with me. Now that we're inside here of the Catalina Summit Series, gonna have your entertainment side here, gonna have a TV backer. You guys can install one of the pull-out arm mounts for the TV. That way a person sitting over here can still see it. Below that, all the room there for DVD player, head unit for a cable monitor, whatever you guys need to put there. Head unit for your JBL speaker system. You can Bluetooth it, hook it to your phone. You can control if it plays inside here, outside, or all three zones at the same time. Lots of storage underneath here too for DVDs, game systems, whatnot. Over here, to the kitchen side of the camper, you're going to have your big screen here for all of your tank controls, tank amounts, how much is in each tank, your battery percentage, your slide controls, awning, everything right there in a one control style system. USBs, normal small USB-C plugs right there, 110 outlets, a big farmhouse style sink. I don't like the divider in the center. You could fit big pots and pans into this one, spray them out. Below that, storage. Up here, stainless style range and microwave. This is going to be a standard microwave, light, complete with your range fan, 3-burner cooktop, all LED knobs there. Down here, fuse panel system. This is going to be your carbon monoxide detector. And then you guys do have the GE 12 volt stainless steel refrigerator, and that's 11 cubic foot. Over here, adjacent to the kitchen, is going to be your big wall slide. They put the jackknife fold-down style sofa with cup holders in the slide, and then they also do the big dinette over there. That dinette table will fold down. It'll rest here on the ledges, and then these will go on top of it. Another spot for one small adult, 2 children to hang out, sleep, watch TV. This side here, Catalina does big bunks. A lot of manufacturers don't have this wide of a bunk. They round it here to still keep that width and give you a little bit more foot room. That's going to be one up above, one down below here, complete with USB chargers. Down below on that, more storage for storage containers, whatever you guys want to put down there. Now to the bathroom here of the coach. Residential foot style flush toilet there, complete with your shower. Gonna have a 3-speed attic fan, which is 12 volt above that shower, complete with your curtain. And on the right side of that, you're gonna have your stainless steel faucet, hot and cold knobs, complete with a mirror right above that. Now to the master bedroom here of this coach. His and hers wardrobe style hangers here on both sides. Hang up your clothes. Right above that, more storage. Night lights on both sides of the bed. This bed does lift up here. Lots of storage underneath it. Flat storage on both sides of the bed for CPAPs. Also have your USB chargers, 110 outlets. And then over here would be your TV backer. So you guys can bolt down into here, hang the TV up for the bedroom. Thanks for sticking with me today here, folks. Again, my name's Nathan Anderson. We walked through the Catalina Summit Series here. Again, my name is Nathan. Please give me a call at 937-649-5823.